Hi, hello, welcome to Elite Solution. We are going to see, due to this pandemic situation, many people are applying for PF advance amount. Recent days, we are getting an issue saying like claim rejected, bank KYC not digitally approved by the employer. So, we'll see how to rectify this. This is the unified portal. If someone wants to know how to apply for pandemic advance amount, I'll share the link in the description box. Kindly check. So let's see how to rectify this error. Kindly check the link I have given in the description box. So let's log in the unified portal member login. So first you have to apply the UAN number. So I'm just hiding the number due to the privacy reason and the security reason too. So be very careful while you are giving the CAPTCHA. Double check your caps lock and enter that. So once you log in, you will get an alert asking for an e-nomination facility. You can just click later. You need not to worry about it, because EPF portal have been recently updated. So it is asking for file now or later. You can give it, you can skip it. So once we get into this page, I'll just give you a short information about how to claim pandemic advance payment. So here, once you log in, you have a few options saying like home, view, manage, account and online services. Just click online services drop box and very first option, claim form 31. So just log in. You click that option and you follow the further steps. For the brief information, you can click the link in the description box. So now this issue, claim rejected due to KYC not digitally approved by the employer. So you have to go to manage, and here the third option is KYC. Just click KYC. You have to click bank, because bank KYC is not approved, digitally not approved. So you are giving that option bank, and you have to click the document number. Document number is nothing but of your bank account number, and name as per the document is your name as per the bank passbook. So double check, it should be in your PAN card, Aadhaar card and your passbook. The number, your name should reflect as same as in all the documents. However you have mentioned in the bank passbook, your name should reflect here, else your claim may get rejected. So please be very careful and double check before you enter your document number as well as your document name. An IFSC code, it will be there in your bank passbook. So once you're done with it, just give save. Once you have click the save button, you will get an option saying like KYC pending for approval. So that shows your UAN number, document type, through which document type you have applied, bank or other PAN. So now bank KYC is pending, so it will show document type as bank and your name as per the document, your document number, and to be approved by the establish, because this KYC is digitally approved by your employer. Once you applied this, you immediately have to call your employer and you request them for a KYC approval. Here you can find something saying like few employers say that this has been already approved. Even in few cases, you yourself can see in your portal saying that your employer has already digitally approved KYC. But due to this pandemic situation, PF portal has recently updated. So again it is asking for a KYC approval. So you please inform to your employer and request them to approve your KYC. Once it approved, then you are eligible to claim again. So request your employer to digitally approve the KYC. Without approving the KYC, you may not able to reapply the claim. So here I have clicked the claim PF advance. So you can see here KYC change in bank account number submitted by you on so and so date is still pending with the employer. So in this video we are going to see, once we get the approval from the employer, what are all the further steps to claim the PF advance. Before we get into the video, please subscribe our channel and click the notification for the further updates. Once we get the digital approval from our employer, we'll see the further steps to proceed our claim. We are logging in the unified portal with a UAN number. So I'm hiding the details for the security reasons. Please be very careful while entering the CAPTCHA. So once we log in the unified portal, we have to click manage and third option KYC. In the last video, KYC pending was approval, and here you can see it was blank because establishment has already approved. Digitally approved KYC by the employer. So here one more column is added, approved by establishment. So now we are going to proceed for the claim. Online services and claim form 31, the first option. Let's click the option. Once we click the online services, the first option is claim form 31. So here the online claim form, we have to fill the online form. Few details have already retrieved by the system. Before we enter the details, we have to be ready with the document, which is blank check leaf scanned copy. So here our details is already retrieved by the system except the bank account number. So we have to enter a bank account number. So please be very careful again while entering the number. Once you enter the number, you can click the verify. Before verifying, just double check the number, bank account number, whatever you have entered here. Because second time we are applying and claim should not get rejected. So double check what are all the details you are entering. You please double check. So double check the bank account number before click the verify option. Now we have entered our account number. Let's verify. There's the verification message saying the number whatever we have entered, the bank account details is mine, and I understand the claim amount is going to credit in that particular amount. So click yes to agree and proceed further. The account number is verified. You will get a tick option, and once it verified, proceed for online claim. Click the option. So here the option is I want to apply for multiple options. So we are going to apply for PF advance due to this COVID. So form 31, PF advance form 31, we have to click that option. So once we click the PF advance option, it will ask for further more details. Select services, which was your employer details, and purpose for which advance is required. Outbreak, pandemic, COVID-19. That is the option we have to select. Amount of advance required. You can enter as per your need, and the employee address as per the Aadhaar card. So once we entered the employee address details, we have to upload the blank check leaf. Choose file and locate the check leaf. Before you upload the document, you just check the file size. It should be in JPG or JPEG file, and minimum 100 KB and maximum 500 KB size. Double check the file size before you upload. In case your file size is more than 500 KB, we can easily minimize the file size. I'll share the video link in the description box. Please check. So now, for example, we are uploading a check leaf. File size is above 500 KB. So once we upload, to click view option, so it clearly shows uploaded file should be less than 500 KB. So we are uploading the document less than 500 KB. It's all done. Once you upload the file less than 500 KB check leaf, you can able to view your check leaf. Click the declaration, get Aadhaar OTP. You will get a OTP in the registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, you can click the validate OTP and submit claim form. Online claim request is submitting at portal. Once we enter the OTP and submit the claim form, you'll get a notification saying like OTP has verified and KYC has been updated and PF advance claim form submitted successfully on the unified portal. So we have successfully requested for the PF advance claim amount. So we can track the claim status in online services. The third option, track claim status. So you can see our current status update. Online claim submitted at the portal. So max in 3 to 4 days, requested amount will transfer to your bank account. I hope this video is very useful. Kindly share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Click the notification for the immediate updates. Thank you for watching.